Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joanna and I am an interpreter with Bulgarian, Italian, Russian, Macedonian, and English. And I'm happy to create those videos with medical terminology, getting ready for NBCMI test. I am creating videos. This video will be a consent form for MRI where I'm gonna extract the most common terminology that I think that we should know uh, in order to be ready to cite, translate this document. Said that, before I start, if you are a member, if you are not a member and you want to be a member, you can click on the button and subscribe for $7.99. If you subscribe, I'm gonna answer your questions once a month or create a video answering your question. You're going to see more videos about interpreters' health, self-care, how I work, where I provide services, my personal experiences providing services for different companies, and so on. If you're Spanish-English medical interpreter, you can find a training on Thinkific for cardiovascular system. Clicking on the link below, it's $47 in two languages, Spanish and English, where by purchasing this class, you will obtain a very detailed training in both languages and you are going to be ready for your bilingual interpreting encounters. Said that, without further ado, let's go ahead and see the most common terminology for consent form for MRI. I find this form online once again. I think it says molecular imagining. It's maybe a center or is a company that creates the form. They are similar. If you don't find exactly this form, you can use any other consent form you find to use it as a base to study. Let's start. Informed consent form. Informed consent form. Legally authorized representative. Legally authorized representative. Molecular imagining. Molecular imagining. Medical diagnostics. Medical diagnostics. MRI. MRI. Terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. Magnetic resonance imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging. X-ray. X-ray. Radiation. Radiation. Magnetic field and radio waves. Magnetic field and radio waves. Internal body structure. Internal body structure. Life quality. Life quality. Scanner. Scanner. Humping and thumping sounds. Humping, thumping sounds. Contrast agent. Contrast agent. Clear image. Clear image. Injection of contrast. Injection of contrast. Radiologist. Radiologist. Magnetic fields. Magnetic fields. Radio frequencies. Radio frequencies. Heart pacemaker. Heart pacemaker. Brain aneurysm, brain aneurysm, or clips, implemented metallic parts, implemented metallic clips, electrical device, electrical device, metallic appliances, metallic appliances, pregnancy or pregnant, pregnancy, injection given, injection given, bruising or bruising, bruising, allergic reaction, allergic reaction, itchy or itching, sneezing, sneezing, hives, hives, swelling of the eyes, swelling of the eyes, wheezing, wheezing, nausea, nausea, fatality may occur, fatality may occur, sickle cell anemia, sickle cell anemia, kidney or liver disorders, kidney or liver disorders, asthma, asthma, breastfeeding, breastfeeding. I hereby certify, or by the signature below, I certify that alternative forms of treatment, alternatives form of treatment, hereby consent, hereby consent. I'm just checking to see if painless procedure, painless procedure, lie quietly on a padded table, lie quietly on a padded table. Injection of contrast in case it's MRI with contrast, injection of contrast. Diagnosis, diagnosis. And said that that was MRI, the most common terminologies that I underline in this form that I study in the both languages in order to be ready. I hope you guys know them all. I had little moments of puzzle, little moments of thinking about the correct expression, and if you do so, this means you have to slightly repeat them a little bit more. Said that, thank you for being here. That was our terminology for MRI consent form. If you like this video, you can press like. If you learn a word, you can press like. If you really want to be grateful, you can press the heart and donate any amount you feel comfortable to support my channel. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a good day. Bye-bye.